Today I'll be unboxing the Disney Eats Mystery Pins. These were released in May of 2024 and are available in the parks and at the Disney Store for $17.99 per box, and there are 2 pins in each box. These are an open edition collection, so they should be around for quite a while, which I like because it makes it a lot easier to collect them all. So the pin designs feature various treats that you can find in the Disney parks. This is an 8-pin collection, and the pin designs we can get are a Mickey Caramel Apple, Dole Whip, a Mickey Ice Cream Sandwich, Churros, Mickey Hamburger, a Mickey Donut, Mickey Waffle, and a Mickey Ice Cream Bar. So let's open them up and see what we get. So I have 5 boxes here to open up, which is 10 pins total. I love all of the pins in this collection, so I would like to get them all. But if I did have to choose one, I would choose the Churros. I have the Churro shirt on, so I gotta get the Churro pin. So let's see what we can do here. 10 pins total, 8-pin collection. We can complete the whole thing. Maybe. Someday it's gonna happen. So we do have 2 pins in here, and these have the little cutouts here so we can open them up super easily. And our first pin is a Mickey donut. Very cool. It kind of looks like a Homer Simpson donut. You got the donut with the pink frosting and then the sprinkles, but it is shaped like a Mickey head. Very cool. And pin 2 is different. It is a Mickey hamburger. Very cool. So we got a hamburger, we have, it looks like some bacon sticking out, and lettuce, cheese, tomatoes, with a Mickey shaped top bun. Very cool. All right, let's get to box 2 here. Two more to go. Pin 3 it is definitely different. Oh, I see a little handle here. So this is going to be the Mickey Ice Cream Bar. Very nice. Looks like somebody already took a bite out of it, and the chocolate's all kind of melting down the sides. Very cool. These are decent sized pins. I was expecting them to be more like a Hidden Mickey size, but these are a lot bigger. Pin 4 is, oh, from the back. I think this is a double. It is another Mickey hamburger. I can see on the back, I can see the bacon sticking out the sides. So we do have a double. Can only get one more double. Still looking for those churros. All right. Let's see what we get here for pin 5. This one is the Mickey Caramel Apple. So we have the chocolate top with the Mickey ears, and then you have the stick right down the middle, and then it's all melting on the bottom. That is a cool pen. I like that. These kind of remind me of the hot cocoa ones from probably 3 or 4 years ago. Those were limited edition at the holiday times, and these kind of have a similar style as those. All right, pin 6. Let's be something different. It is not. It is another Mickey Ice Cream Bar. So we have 2 hamburgers and 2 ice cream bars, and now we can't have any more doubles if we want to complete this collection. So we have to nail the other 4 here. Oh, no more doubles, please. Pin 7 it's another double. It is a Mickey donut. So we have another Mickey donut. Let's see, is this gonna be a hamburger? I'm gonna have a duplicate box here. Usually happens. I can see some bacon. It's another Mickey hamburger. So we ended up with a duplicate box there, and now we cannot complete the collection. Well, I suppose we couldn't complete the collection after the donut one. We have 2 more to go. Come on, let's get a little closer. I'm only halfway. I like to get beyond halfway. All right, we don't want to see a hamburger or a donut. Don't want another duplicate box. And looking in there, it's a donut. Well, so we have a donut. Do I even need to open this one? Pretty sure it's gonna be a hamburger. Is it? It is. We have another hamburger. So we have 3 duplicate boxes. Ugh, that hurts. But I got halfway, so I got 4 out of the 8, so I still need 4 more, but I don't like those duplicate boxes. So those were the Disney Eats mystery pins. Do you have a favorite out of the 4 that I unboxed? My favorite here is the Mickey Caramel Apple. I just really like the way the chocolate is all melting down the side. It just looks really cool. So that is my favorite here. I really like the style of these pins, so I'm looking forward to completing the collection. This was not a great unboxing for me. I mean, I did get 4 out of the 8, so I got halfway, which is okay. But when I had 10 pins and I only came away with 4 uniques, I was kind of on the wrong side of the numbers there. So I am still missing 4 pins, and the 4 that I'm missing are the Dole Whip, the Mickey ice cream sandwich, the Churros, and the Mickey Waffle. And kind of funny that out of all these treats, the 3 treats that I would buy in the parks the most are the Dole Whip, the ice cream sandwich, and the churros. So 3 of them that I didn't get. So, but hey, at least you got to see a Mickey-shaped churro on my shirt. These ones aren't Mickey-shaped. So I'll keep looking for these and hopefully complete the collection. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.